Hello and welcome. Any function returns one of two values based on whether an expression evaluates to true or false. Think about how a teacher might use the if function. On this sheet, the cell D2 shows pass when the grade entered on cell C2 is higher and or equal to 50, and it shows fail otherwise. Let me show you how to use if using this example. Click the cell where we want the output to appear and type the equal sign. A formula editor appears. Type if and press enter. The function has three inputs: the expression, the output when the expression is true, and the output when the expression is false. The inputs are separated by commas in a parenthesis in front of an if. In the first input, the expression is already highlighted, meaning you can now type the expression. Our expression is C2 is greater and or equal to 50. So I select cell C2 and then type greater and equal 50. This expression evaluates to true if the value of cell C2 is greater and or equal to 50 and false if it's not. Press tab to highlight the next input, the if true. Type the true output, in this case the string output pass. Press tab again for the next input, the if false, and enter the false output, in this case the string output failed. Press enter. Now let's test it. I type 99 in C2 and we get a pass in D2. When I type 49, we get a fail. Please like if this video helped you, subscribe for more tutorials, comment to ask questions or to give feedback. Thank you.